Ko te kanikani ki ngā waiata whakaohoho I te tinana, te mahi o nei taiohi I tēnei ata hāpara.
We're underutilising our voices and we want to know that our rangatahi can make a difference and that what they say and think is important.
Ko Zamara Waru Keelan, no Tainui, he tauira e whai ana I tana tohu tākuta mai te tīmatanga o tēnei tau. Ko ia te tehi o ngā tauira, kua tai mai ki te kanikani me te rehita nei.
We've just seen statistically that our rangatahi Māori aren't voting. We know that that'll make a huge difference in the polls when we see who they choose to represent them and be their leaders, because we see in other demographics it's quite common. Our Pākehā utilise their votes. We're not using our voices. But we're good at complaining.
Some people showed up here today for the first time to enrol to vote, so that was absolutely incredible. And it is all about kind of educating them around how do you do it? Is it easy? Is it accessible?
Ko Te Whare Whiki, te kaiwhakahaere o te rōpū rangatahi o Seed Waikato. Nā rātou tahi me te kaitiaki take kōwhiri te kaupapa kanikani nei. I whakatū ki te whakapuapua I ngā taiohi ki te rehita.
So to mobilise on this level has been absolutely incredible. What it's really taught me about is actually the mana and the power of relationships.
There is support there, but if we don't get your voice in there with your perspective and your priorities, your futures, at the end of the day, at the moment, we have a whole lot of old white men making decisions about you, your children, your employment, you know, where you work and play, all of those things.
Kei te kōmihana o te kaitiaki take kōwhiri, a Kirsty Barber e mahi ana. E aki ana ia, kia tirohea te paitukutuku o Elections NZ, kia whakaoti I tō rehitanga ki te pōti.
It's your future. Of course, 16-year-olds should be able to vote because, holy hell, they're watching their, awa being polluted, they're watching their climate change.
Did you vote in the last election?
I did not. I was overseas. Kia ora, but yep, I'm voting now. 2025 is the year to vote.
Ko Charisse Toto, o ngā tinaho e kuraina ana ki Te Whare Wānanga, e whakapono ana ia, me whai wāhi te katoa o ngā rangatahi ki te rehita me te pōti.
Voting is normal. Having our voice heard is normal. It should be karakia waiata. We all live here in Aotearoa, so we should all get a say in how everybody's putia is being spent.
I hope our rangatahi, we can lower the voting age, and also I hope that we can give the vote to people in prison too, because they lose the right to vote when they go in there, and also the decisions we make affect them as well.
Te āhua nei, kua tie nei rangatahi I o rātou rehitatanga ki te pōti. Ko te mahi nāia nei, he kanikani. Maioha Panapa, ma Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.